Hi there, my name's Jason Williams, and in this video, more maintenance on the 80 series, you might have seen me do the windscreen wiper motor. That works, but there was an issue I had, and unless things work perfectly, I'm not real wrapped about it. So I'll show you here. So when I had to link back onto the control arm for the wiper mechanism, a part of it had broken, and I just put a hose clamp on the back to hold it. So I can do this, and it doesn't stop it working or doing what it was meant to do, but it does get a little bit annoying, and I'm not okay with that. So I've got a new one here, and I'm gonna open it up and check whether it's the right one. And this is how it come. I've taken it out of the package. Obviously, it was packaged in this tube, which was really cool. And it has Toyota genuine stickers on it. So I was like, oh, looks like it's genuine. Anyway, let's pull this one apart. The first part of this job is removing the fancy pliers. That makes life easier. And I have to undo this motor. That's him out, and what I've got to do is I lift the wiper doobie all the way up, just so I can get to that hose clamp which I'd previously put on there to do that job. This is the reason for it being quite dodgy. The hose clamp holding it on will now fall out the way. It can sit aside. That's no longer needed. Now I've got to put these windscreen wipers back down and remove the actual wipers, and then all these screws for this panel, and then that lifts up, and I can get the rest out. All right, remove the wiper blades. Should all be pretty easy since they've been off very recently. With a few of these screws, I can get them with a little tom-tom screwdriver. That one I can't reach with it. I think there's two that I can't reach with the screwdriver, and I just have to get another little tool for that. Alright, to get these last ones in here, I've got a short screwdriver piece and a little quarter inch ring spanner, and I just put that on there and undo it like so. With those screws out, the wiper blades are off. This should just pop up. Unbelievable. These clearly have to come up at the same time. Oh no, There we go. Then just pulls forward a bit. And rocks a bit of a wiggle. And out it comes. And as for taking the actual wiper mechanism out, was there an easy way? I don't know if I found an easy way, but I mean, it's not like it's hard. Take one of the grates out, grab the tub, remove the screws, make sure it's gone the right way, because you wouldn't want to do these up, they'll just snap with a little impact driver. This is just a tech gun pipe, and so this is pretty meek and mild. There is one already broken on the other side. So as I get this one out, the last one, it'll drop. That's what we want it to do. And that is the old wiper mechanism undone and coming out. And that's it. That goes that way. Just like that. And I should be able to slide that in there. Oh, if I don't impale myself. And this new one should be pretty straightforward. Yep, that's him. All right, well, I found another little bolt. It looks like it might work, might not. But I'm just going to do these up the little 10. All right, that can go back in. A little inspection guard to stop leaves and stuff going on there. Alright, time for that plate to go back on, or the front window sill cover. Yeah. Either way, same deal with this. The reverse, basically. Put the sill panel down in place, over center to where it's meant to be, so that you can slide it under the window into its final position. Oh, of course. Hands are still a bit numb. Note to anyone watching, look after your back. I won't do these all the way tight because I'll probably need it to move around. I'll just put this little screwdriver in behind here if I can get it. And get it brought to stop just slipping straight back. Right. Now let's see how easily this clips on. There we go. That was a pretty satisfying clip. Not too tight to start with. Alright, so I stuffed a bit of material in the end of the socket, a leaf and a bit of material, and that should that got it down, that's nice. And that'll work hopefully for all the rest as well. Yep. Yep. That plug can go back on. Being that the windscreen wiper motor is in the stop position, should make this fairly easy. Should. Being an operative word. All right. Hoping that that's about right. Ooh. I guess with that job kind of done, what I'll do is I'll pull the car out, spray the window with water, and we'll video that and finish it off. Well, nothing's complete until I actually test it, so here we go. I'll turn the key on. That's just on intermediate. Wow. You're gonna fight with me the whole way, aren't you? Well, stopping in the right spot. There's no noises. That's the full speed mode. It's having a little bit of trouble, but it's still getting there. It looks like it's all doing exactly the right thing. Stopped in the right spot. Sweet. Right, well, thank you very much for watching that video. You know, another thing, like if it's not quite perfect, I'll want to try and make, I mean, in saying that, you saw how it, you know, sort of slowed a little bit. I'm a bit worried about that, but that might be something I investigate later. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will aspire to see you in the next one. Cheers.